Kasi we are going to church. It's almost 9 a.m. Kailangan kami gumising na maaga kasi si Jacob may volunteer sa church. Gising si Jacob, nag-washroom na. I'm just washing my face dahil naligo na ako kagabi para diretso-diretso lang tayo. And si Daddy nasa church na kasi he is playing today. And it's gonna be his last Sunday before tayo uwi ng Pinas, guys. And kahapon, sobrang busy namin. Dami naming store na pinuntahan para bumili ng mga ng pasalubong ba. Konti lang naman. And gabi ka na. You watch na. And recital pala ni Jacob mamaya, guys. 4:45 sa Broadmoor Church. And luto muna ako ng breakfast ni Jacob para kain muna siya before sa church.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
Hi guys! Daddy's here!
Good morning!
Good morning! We're done sa aming worship service. And
Ganda ng worship at the same time, yung message is all about serving. Just have
Heart to serve.
the heart, yeah. Ganda ng preaching
Yes.
today.
And then now guys, we're here sa Manila Express kasi yung box namin, may box na dinala si Aya from his work pero medyo pa-wide kasi siya and then malaki. So parang feel ko na mahirap siya sa
Mahaba.
airlines.
Yeah.
So bibili kami ng extra na maliit na box para sa sobrang
Pasalubong.
pasalubong. Dakuha mo na sana nato daddy. Putulin mo lang. Kasya ba yan? Hindi kasya. Kasya pala. Okay lang? Punta kami ng Costco dahil may nabili kami na item pero mali yung size. So, ilisan lang na to. Ilisan. Kanina, sumakay kami ni Justin pero nauna na siyang umuwi guys kasi bibili siya ng pang lunch namin. Sa bahay na lang kami magla-lunch
Church's
kasi
chicken.
yes, churches. Uy, kauyog. Kauyog ganyan. Sa bahay lang kami mag-lunch kasi
Ganito yung weather ng Vancouver,
maulan.
guys. Ulan, then minsan uulan sa umaga and then sa noon
Mag-sunny.
biglang mainit, ganun. Yeah.
And then, uwi kami ng bahay, doon kami mag-lunch. Kasi dapat by 4 o'clock, labas na din kami kasi nga recital ni Jacob, di ba? It's his first recital, guys. Since nag-lesson siya January, Feb, March, April, May, June. 5 months ng kanyang lesson. Grabe yung story, Daddy. Ano nga yung story ng kay Jacob na recital, di ba? Kasi schedule yung time niya ba?
Oh,
Tapos
yeah.
mag-play ka pa sa...
Kasi nung nagsabi ka na may recital, same na time nag-post yung church sa every week kasi guys, magsisend sila ng parang invitation for you to serve. So parang it's
Sa
either
church.
you accept it or not.
Sa
And then
church.
yes, sa church nga. And then sa time noon, nagkasabay din na yung recital ni Jacob. And may service din kami sa 6 p.m. So parang conflict. And then ang nangyari is mag-decline na sana ako. But we are a family kasi guys that we believe that serving is very important. Hindi naman sa sinasabi na sinesecond mo yung family mo or something like that. In this world, we put our family first as a priority. But we also believe that when you put God first, especially pag serve mo, is God will take care of your family. So it's like para ding sa marriage na din namin ni May that we always put God in the center of our relationship, that no matter what obstacle or what circumstances, even you're in the highs and in the lows, when you put God in the center of your relationship, you know that God will always produce that love for you both to be blessed in your marriage. So nangyari nga doon guys is nung pa-decline na sana kami, before ako nag-decline is sabi ko na let's try to reach out sa Long and McQuaid and see baka may chance pa na magiging early si Jacob sa recital niya. Kasi yung recital is 4:45, mag-start siya ng 5 o'clock, let's just say, and then matapos siya ng 6. Sa church kasi yung service is 6 p.m. din. Nag-email kami na yun, ganun nga yung situation namin. And we'll see if may magawa pa sila na to help us out. If not, it's okay. Nandoon naman si May to din ni Jacob, mag-video din siya. But God is so good na nag-reply sila guys the next day. And they said that they understand that it is also a priority of us to serve church. So ang ginawa nilang first performance si Jacob. So 4:45 talaga siya. So
Grabe si Lord.
yeah, so mangyayari nun is magpo-perform si Jacob, and then siguro let's just say 5:30 nun is punta kami balik sa
Yeah.
church to serve again. So we're just so grateful for that, and we truly believe that God will always take care of you and your family as long as you put Him first.
Amen. So yun na nga guys, ako kasi yung tipo na I don't ask daddy to choose. If it's for the Lord, no questions asked, go. And we are home. Ito yung pizza sa Costco. We haven't tried this one yet. It smells really good guys. Very cheesy.
Wow.
Tingnan mo. Whoa. Wow. Okay, let's eat. And aside sa ating pizza guys, meron din tayong Church's chicken. Spicy and regular, half and half. Kain tayo guys!
Yummy! Sana nga anak?
Uy, grabe yan. Nagabitay-bitay ang cheese lang ga. Hey, you eat na, you eat!
I can.
Like that ah.
Laki. Oh, my gulay.
Wow, hungry much? Naka-breakfast man kayo kanina. I like your t-shirt, daddy.
Oh yeah. Yeah, shout out to Gordon Cam. Thank you for bringing this from Japan. Fender flagship. Yun ang pangarap kong mapuntahan guys sa Tokyo
Soon.
soon. Hopefully, yeah. Eat na yan.
Natay suka.
Oh yeah, there. Ayan, please ko sa ref, sa ano yan, microwave. Yun mo. Okay, yeah. Kani? Di ko.
Na kayo volleyball later, anya?
Yeah, yeah.
Sa asa man diri ra nga church?
Vancouver.
Gladstone Secondary.
Vancouver na kayo. Usually mag-Sunday. Church's chicken.
Ano mo ko sa ano? May binigay sa akin yung coworker ko, guys. Kuya. Kuya Michael, thank you.
Thank you.
Good.
We're grateful for the food. Yeah, okay na? Yeah.
Insert, insert. Highways. What are you
Yeah.
paying lang ga?
Them changes.
Oh, them
I'll pay you
changes.
later niya. Matagit.
Galing kami ng Costco, guys, and pag-uwi namin kain agad kasi very hungry na. Anong oras na, guys? Look. Yung oras is 1 p.m. and wala pa kaming breakfast. Kaya brunch na to. Pagpunta natin ng Pinas, everyday kain.
Not me.
May namit kami sa Costco, guys, kasi kanina pagpunta namin doon, kailangan ni Daddy i-exchange yung item na pinurchase niya kahapon. And then, yung babae na nag-help sa amin na mag-refund, yung t-shirt niya may Bible verse. Ay, Ephesians pala. Ephesians. Hindi ko masyadong basta may Ephesians something. And then, ayun, doon nagsimula yung conversation. And then, natanong niya na,
May afternoon service ba kami? So sabi namin meron. So
Tamang-tama
sabi niya
yan.
naghahanap daw siya ng church.
kasi usually sa morning yung pasok niya. Tapos, so, hindi na siya nakapagsimba. So,
Yeah.
ayun, in-invite namin. Sana, hopefully, punta siya mamaya. Sabi niya, if not, then next week daw. And wala kami next week na, di ba? Sayang. Pero sana, I'm praying na pupunta pa rin siya.
Yeah. As long as pupunta siya para ma-bless siya.
Dako pa. Hi guys, we are getting ready. It's 3:34. Punta ng recital ni Jacob. Dito lang sa Richmond. Ang haba na ng hair ko, I know, pero doon na ako sa Philippines magpapagupit. Grabe yung ulan, guys. Jacob is getting ready as well. Look. papaano natin siya. Polo shirt. Diba? Parang naging punching bag yung ano natin. What do you want to wear, Jacob? Ito lang yung mga ginagamit ko sa mukha ko. Ito yung sa lipstick. And then ito yung ito pala guys. Ito. Color drops for cheeks. Ayan. Yan lang. Parang wala namang nangyari. Pero at least hindi tayo maputla tingnan. To be honest guys, ako yung nininervyos kay Jacob. Hindi ko lang pinapahalata kasi baka ano siya ba, nervous din siya. After ng recital ni Jacob, punta na kami sa church. Takbo agad sa church dahil si Daddy nga magpe-play pa siya 6 p.m. diba? So, hindi na kami tatapos ng program. Kunin na lang namin si Jacob. Tapos, punta na dun. Hindi maliit yung ating Daddy kasi naman si Daddy. Ano siya? We're here, Jake. Broadmoor Baptist Church. Dami na palang tao. Hoy, nangabong na ang drumstick. Kani siguro? 8140? Kanay.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, andito na kami sa church. Parking lang si Daddy. Ninenervyos ako guys. Sa totoo lang.
Para ako yung
Ayaw lang i-mention kay basig makuan sa job. Parang ako yung tutugtog. Hi Jake. I like your polo shirt.
Oh, thank you.
Here's your drumstick.
Oh, thank you.
We will be showcasing our talented students under the direction of guitar teacher Anthony, drum teacher Ty, next we have Jacob.
Good
Ito
job.
yung-
Kaya sa mga guys, taga Richmond or gusto niyo mag ng drum lesson sa Long and McQuaid, we highly recommend Kai. Very approachable siya, hindi nahihiya yung mga bata sa kanya. And mostly it's evident din today that Kai is really good in dealing with kids dahil ngayon nakita ko na mostly yung mga nag-recital din sa group niya are mga bata.
Mga bata.
Yeah, yeah.
Cute na cute.
Yeah, I love the selections of song na ni-recital nila. It's very catchy. Pati yung next
Makakasayaw ka talaga.
Yeah, pati yung next na ni Jacob is parang animation na na may term nun eh. May term na mga kanta ngayon eh.
Ngayon punta na kami sa church.
Yeah, we're
Kasi-
going. It's have to be there at 5:45. Just do some
And
sound check.
kasi may run through silang daddy at 5:45 and it's already 5:16. Grabe talaga yung timing ng time natin, guys. So, yeah. Nasa bahay na pala kami, 9:07 sa gabi, guys. Kanina pa kami nakarating. And then I'm just heating up the pizza for the kids dinner. Ngayon pa lang sila magdi-dinner. After kasi ng church, we went to Save on Foods para bumili ng bread for tomorrow, Monday. And then after nito, we will sleep. We had a long day, especially si Jacob na ninenervyos the whole time, the whole day. Pizza ni Jacob, i-warm up ko lang para makakain na sila. Okay. Jacob, say good night na. Guys, it's already 9:38. Nice. Brush your teeth. Okay, brush lang muna kami, guys. And then, sleeping time. Thank you so much for watching. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung video. Ingat kayo always. God bless. Bye. See you on the next one. See you next one. Bye guys. God bless.
Bye. Good night.